Do you want your faceless YouTube videos to go viral? The secret lies in creating an epic intro. In this video, we'll show you how. Have you ever wondered why some faceless YouTube channels explode in popularity while others don't? The difference often comes down to their video intros. A great intro can captivate your audience and set the tone for the entire video. It's the first impression that determines whether viewers stay or leave. Today, we'll uncover the 6 essential steps to crafting an engaging and effective YouTube intro that keeps viewers hooked. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for growing your faceless YouTube channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Nail the title and thumbnail. The title and thumbnail of your video are the first things viewers see, and they play a crucial role in whether or not someone clicks on your video. It's essential to understand that even if you have created the most amazing video content, it will be ineffective if people don't click on it. Your title and thumbnail need to grab attention and create curiosity. Most people make the mistake of treating the title and thumbnail as an afterthought, quickly putting something together at the last minute. This approach significantly reduces the potential of your video. To nail the title and thumbnail, start by brainstorming ideas before you even begin creating your video. Think about what would make you want to click on a video if you saw it in your recommendations. The title should be clear, compelling, and promise a benefit or solution. Use strong, action-oriented words and keep it concise. The thumbnail should complement the title by visually representing the main point of the video. Use high-quality images, bold text, and bright colors to make it stand out. Tools like Canva can help you create professional-looking thumbnails, but don't just rely on templates. Add your unique touch to make it distinctive. Remember, your audience has no clue about the quality of your video. They only have the title and thumbnail to judge it by. Taking the time to perfect these elements can significantly increase your video's click-through rate, CTR, and ensure that your content gets the attention it deserves. A well-crafted title and thumbnail set the right expectations and draw viewers in, setting the stage for your epic intro. Step 2. Provide an immediate payoff. Once you've grabbed your audience's attention with a compelling title and thumbnail, the next step is to provide an immediate payoff within the first few seconds of your video. This step is crucial because it reassures viewers that your video will deliver on the promises made by the title and thumbnail. An immediate payoff helps to reduce the likelihood of viewers dropping off early, which is a common issue many YouTube creators face. To provide an immediate payoff, start your video by confirming the value promised in your title and thumbnail. For example, if your title is about making a certain amount of money through a specific method, your intro should immediately address that. Say something like, "In this video, I'll show you how I made $10,000 in 1 month using Instagram." This direct approach assures viewers that they are in the right place and that your content is relevant to their interests. Using a real-life example can make this clearer. Consider the Digital Income Project, a faceless YouTube channel that effectively uses this technique. In one of their popular videos, the title and thumbnail promise a method to earn passive income from Instagram accounts. The video begins with a statement confirming the earnings and showcasing the Instagram accounts, thus instantly verifying the claim and setting a strong foundation for the rest of the content. Providing an immediate payoff helps to build trust and encourages viewers to stay engaged. It shows that your video is not clickbait and that you value their time. This step is about meeting the viewer's expectations right away, making them more likely to continue watching and less likely to click away. It's a simple but powerful way to retain your audience and ensure that your content resonates from the very beginning. Step 3. Provide context. After grabbing your viewers' attention with an immediate payoff, the next crucial step is to provide context. Context helps viewers understand what the video is about and why it is relevant to them. This step involves briefly explaining the background of the topic and setting the stage for the rest of the content. Without context, viewers might feel lost or confused, leading them to click away from your video. Providing context involves introducing the main theme of your video and giving a bit of background information. For instance, if your video is about earning passive income through Instagram, you could share a brief personal anecdote about how you discovered this method and why you decided to pursue it. This helps to establish credibility and makes the content more relatable. Context can also include an overview of what the viewers can expect from the video. For example, you might say, "In the next few minutes, I'll take you through the step-by-step process that I used to generate $10,000 in passive income using Instagram. Step 4. Present a curiosity gap. Once you've provided context and your viewers understand the premise of your video, the next step is to present a curiosity gap. A curiosity gap is a technique used to create a sense of intrigue and compel viewers to keep watching. It involves introducing a question or an element of mystery that viewers feel the need to resolve. This gap between what the viewers currently know and what they want to know keeps them engaged and motivates them to watch the video until the end. To effectively present a curiosity gap, start by hinting at valuable or surprising information that will be revealed later in the video. For instance, if your video is about making passive income through Instagram, you might say, "I'll share a little-known trick that skyrocketed my earnings, and you won't believe how simple it is." This statement creates a sense of anticipation and makes viewers curious about the specific trick you are referring to. Another effective way to create a curiosity gap is by posing a question that the video will answer. For example, what's the secret behind turning a hobby into a $10,000 monthly income stream? By posing such a question, you create an open loop in the viewers' minds that they feel compelled to close by continuing to watch the video. Step 5. Exceed expectations. Exceeding expectations is a powerful way to ensure your viewers stay engaged and find value in your content. This step involves delivering more than what your title and thumbnail promise, thereby surprising and delighting your audience. When you exceed expectations, you not only fulfill the initial promise, but also add extra value, making your video stand out. To exceed expectations, start by offering additional insights, tips, or information that viewers weren't expecting based on the title and thumbnail alone. For example, if your video is about earning passive income through Instagram, you could also share automation tools or strategies that simplify the process, thereby providing extra value. Highlighting the effort you've put into creating the video can also help exceed expectations. For instance, mentioning that you spent months researching or testing different methods before sharing them with your viewers can make the content seem more valuable and trustworthy. Step 6. Front-load the stimulus. Front-loading the stimulus means packing the beginning of your video with engaging elements to capture and hold your viewers' attention right from the start. This technique involves using frequent visual changes, dynamic storytelling, and rapid pacing to keep the audience engaged. For faceless YouTube channels, where personality and facial expressions aren't in play, this becomes even more crucial. To front-load the stimulus, start by incorporating quick cuts, compelling visuals, and engaging narration within the first few seconds of your video. This can include dynamic text overlays, animations, and relevant footage that align with the content being discussed. For example, if your video is about passive income strategies, you could rapidly show clips of different income-generating activities, screenshots of earnings, and brief text highlights of key points. This approach ensures there's always something visually interesting happening, which helps maintain viewer interest. Another key aspect is pacing. Aim to change visuals every 1.2 to 1.5 seconds, similar to popular YouTubers like Mr. Beast, who frequently switch visuals to keep the audience engaged. This technique prevents the video from becoming monotonous and keeps viewers' attention locked in. Testing your intro with friends or colleagues and asking for feedback on any points where their interest wanes can help you fine-tune the pacing and visual changes. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful in creating an epic YouTube intro for your faceless videos. Remember, nailing the title and thumbnail, providing an immediate payoff, offering context, presenting a curiosity gap, exceeding expectations, and front-loading the stimulus are key to keeping your viewers engaged. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Check out our other videos on growing your faceless YouTube channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.